What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we got to talk about Baby Doge. We're going to be going over some technical analysis for Baby Doge, so definitely stick around to the end of the video. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe and leave a comment inside of the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next, as long as it's not a scam coin. All right. And this video is sponsored by Baby Dogecoin News Weekly. So big shout out to Baby Dogecoin News Weekly out there. Big shout out to Reflection Baby. Big shout out to the whole Baby Doge Powwow podcast, all that good stuff. Big shout out to them. Definitely go out here and check this out. So it says, how does the Baby Doge Ethereum bridge work? If you want to know about how the Baby Doge Ethereum bridge works, then definitely come here and watch this video. I know a lot of people were getting on me because, I kind of mentioned a few things that were wrong about how it works. I don't 100% know how it works, but after watching this, definitely have a good idea. So definitely watch this video and it will explain to you in very good detail about how the Ethereum bridge works for Baby Doge. So definitely check this out. Big shout out to Baby Dogecoin News Weekly. And let's get to the video. So we got to talk about some stuff here with Baby Doge, right? So first of all, let's talk about this resistance that we hit. So we literally came all the way up here. We almost broke past this resistance. We hit it twice, but we could not quite actually break above it. We hit it once here and then once here. We tried to break above it, but we just didn't have enough momentum. So this resistance is all the way up here at 1770. Right now we're at 1566 or 1565 right now. But yeah, we need to get back up here to 1770, because once we do that, we are going to be bullish and going straight up here for the Fibonacci retracement level of 2300. So we need to get all the way up there so we can see that, right? So now look down here at what we're doing now. So we just now broke below this red area here. Remember, the red shaded areas are supply and demands of less demand. Green shaded areas, supply and demand of more demand. Notice how we're now breaking out of this red area here. So now we're really getting away from here. And now we're trying to get back into this area. But look, if we can't get back into this supply and demand area, then you're going to see Baby Doge get rejected and go down to this support. So we have some support down here for Baby Doge. That's down at 1440. I know I was talking about that in my previous videos about how it's a pretty good support for us. But look, if we cannot get past this area, then that's what's going to happen. We're going to end up going back down to 1440. I know a lot of people don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. I want to see us stay above this supply and demand area. Like this area right here, we were doing so well trading between the lines here from the 25th all the way to now. But now I want to see us get back above that. So we definitely got to appreciate that, because this is definitely a good and major area for us to get past. Like once we get past this at 1770, I'm telling you right now, this is going to be huge for Baby Doge. It will be very bullish if we get past 1770. But like I said, if we don't, then it's all the bears from this point on. So if we do not get past that area, just know we're going down to the support 1440, and then from there we're going down to this support right here 1330. So we don't want to be stalling right now, because if we're stalling, right, and if we're not continuing to build up that momentum to continue to rise, then we're just going to follow the overall crypto market. Like everything is down right now. Bitcoin at 19.3K, Ethereum at $1,000. Everything's going down. And not only is everything going down, we also have Baby Doge down as well at 10%. So that's actually huge, 10.2% for the last 24 hours for Baby Doge. So that's a pretty big percentage on the downside. Now, yes, we are down, and yes, we do typically follow Bitcoin. And I think we may actually we're actually like going back into the Bitcoin following frenzy, right? So it definitely seems like we're now back inside of that area of following Bitcoin, which does suck. It was nice to be away from Bitcoin for a while. You could actually see over here with Baby Doge, we were really going crazy while everything else was just going down. But we just had to come back down into the stratosphere, I guess. But we still have some possibilities to continue to rise here at Baby Doge. So let's talk about those possibilities. Now, like I said, we have that possibility to hit the 1440 support, but look, we're still bullish inside of some kind of way, like, right? So over here, you can see there's a lot of selling going on for Baby Doge on the oscillator. So much selling on the oscillator here. And for the 24-hour market control, we're in control by the bears by 60%. But whenever you look over here at the 4-hour chart, you see a different perspective. So let's go ahead and scroll out. It says the bulls are still in control of the 24-hour market control by 60% when you're looking at it on the 24-hour, when you're looking at it from the 4-hour chart. So this could actually be a bullish signal here. And on top of that bullish signal, we also have over here on the oscillator, you see that all of this buying value, it's on the upside, which means it's buying volume. So On top of that buying volume, we're also kind of going down here to the support. Now, look, the green area is supply and demand or more demand. Since there's more demand in this area, if baby doge were to continue to go down and hit this green shaded area, then we will become bullish. Then we will have money flowing into baby doge because this is a more demand area. Now, whether or not it continues to pump after it hits this area, that's completely up to baby doge. It could hit this area and go down. And mind you, the reason why we were doing so well for the past week was because we're leading up to that 50 quadrillion burn, and we all knew it was going to happen. And actually, here's the 50 quadrillion burn. So yeah, they were not lying. 50 quadrillion burn right there. You can even see over here. This is huge for us. Inside the past day, we burned $355 million worth of baby doge. So yes, 227 quadrillion baby doge burned inside of like the last day. So this is crazy. And if you all really want to know how this Ethereum bridge works, like I said, check out Baby Dogecoin News Weekly. Check out this video. It'll be in the first link in the description, and it'll be in the first link in the comment section. I'll make sure to put it there. You definitely want to check this out if you want to know how the Baby Doge Ethereum bridge works. It is 100% good. So definitely come over here and look at it, and definitely just sit down, stay here for a while, and just study it, because this is definitely something that everyone in Baby Doge needs to know. So, anyways, moving on from this, let's talk about the burns a little bit more. In the last week, 227.2 trillion. Like that's our quadrillion. That's huge. And like I said, that was part of the 50 quadrillion burn. So that's pretty big for us. Now let's go over the technical analysis for Bitcoin as well, because now that we're kind of back inside of that Bitcoin trading frenzy, now we're kind of following Bitcoin. Let's look at what Bitcoin has coming up next. So as you can see, we got rejected up here at this red supply and demand area of less demand, and now Bitcoin is trading between this channel here. So there's two options for Bitcoin. Bitcoin could either get up here and then try to break past this resistance and break 20K and get back up here. But you got to think, we just now came from these levels. So do you really think it's going to be able to break past there so early? No, I don't think so. What I think is about to happen, Bitcoin is about to hit this support. Now, after Bitcoin hits this support down here, right, this is where it gets ugly. After Bitcoin hits the support around 18.7K, 18.8K, somewhere around there, it's going to immediately go down, and it's going to go down hard and sharp. So let me show you what this could possibly even look like. So this is going to be bad for us, but it might not be as bad. So you could see Bitcoin going all the way from up here, all the way down here. It's about 17.6K and possibly even down to 15K after this happens. But there's also something you want to pay attention to while all this is going on. Over here on the oscillator, you can see all this selling volume, but the selling volume is actually becoming less and less prominent. So you're actually seeing the selling volume going down, which is a bullish signal. You can actually see a little bit of a red or a green dot, not a red dot, but a little bit of a red wave coming in here, or a green wave. I keep saying red, but yeah, a little bit of a green wave coming here. And this is a bullish signal because that's purchasing coming in. So yeah, even though we're about to have a little bit of a sell-off, we're having purchasing coming back in on Bitcoin. So this could be another bullish signal, which is definitely pretty good for Bitcoin. So yeah, this is good for the overall crypto market too. That's why I mentioned it, because Baby Doge, overall crypto market, all that good stuff. So yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. And also, big shout out to Baby Dogecoin News Weekly. Definitely go over here and check out this video. So this is going to tell you exactly how the Baby Doge Ethereum bridge works. So you definitely need to know about that if you're in the Baby Doge army. But anyways, definitely hit that like button and subscribe. As always, I'll be back with another video.